Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new poem. Okay, and the name of the poem is "Where Do All the Teachers Go?" Where do all the teachers go? Okay, for a little child, a teacher is special. So all the little children they love their teacher, their class, their friends, their school, etc. So it is something special for them. It is difficult for a small child to think of his or her teacher as an ordinary person. So it is very difficult to think for a child that about his or her teacher as an ordinary person. Ordinary person means always found in the school from morning till evening. And after that, where they go, what they do is a big question. They are not found after that. The child also goes to his home, the teachers also go to their homes. But this is a question in the mind of a child where the teachers go. So this is all about the poem. We are going to know about it now. Okay. So let's read the poem and understand what the poem says about where do all the teachers go. Okay. Name of the poet is Peter Dixon. Who is the poet? Peter Dixon. By Peter, P-E-T-E-R, Peter Dixon, D-I-X-O-N, Dixon. Okay, he's a poet. So we are going to cover here reading of the poem, paraphrasing of the poem, word meaning, comprehension check, grammar and writing skills. Okay. So let's start with the poem. Where do all the teachers go? Where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? When it is 4 o'clock. So after 4 o'clock the teachers go to their home. But there is a question in the mind of a child when the school gets over, where do the teachers go? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? So the child goes to home, it washes its socks, it gets fresh for the tea and snacks. Same way it is thinking of the teacher also. Do the teachers also wash their socks? So this is the question in the mind of child. Okay. Do they wear pajamas? Okay. Do they wear pajamas? That is the kind of a cloth which is worn from the waist bottom. Okay. And do they watch TV? There is another question. Do they watch TV like us? As how we watch television? And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? So even they go to pick the nose. Okay. Clean the nose, wash their hands, all these things. Do they do like us? So it is a question for the child. So the teacher is something for him different than the other human beings. So these all questions come in the mind of the child. Do they live with other people in the home, like brother, sister, father, mother, etc.? Then have they moms and dads? Now moms and dad means do they have father and a mother? And were they ever children? So were they were even children in the beginning, like us? Were the teachers children in the beginning? And were they ever bad? Okay, they were also bad in their childhood. These are all questions coming to the mind of a child. Did they ever never spell right? So while spelling or pronunciation, do they spell right? Did they spell right or did they do mistakes while spelling and all while pronouncing? Did they ever make mistakes? ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅವರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ? Then were they punished in the corner? Okay, were they made to stand in the corner, stand up and hands up or bend down, catch the knees or stand on toes? All such type of punishments in the corner of the schools were given to them. If they pinch the chocolate flakes, if they pinch the chocolate flakes, so in case if they were eating chocolates in the class, bubble gum, etc., this that, so they were being punished for that. Do they do that all? Breaking the rules of the school and all? Did they do like a child when we are doing as a child? Did they ever lose their Hyman books? So did they lose their Hyman book? Hyman means shlokas, prayer books. Okay. Did they ever leave their greens? Did they ever leave their greens means gardening, etc. This that thing in the garden. Okay, all those qualities. Did they scribble on the desktop? So did they do writing on the scribbling on the books? Okay, so did they do all the things on the benches on the top of the bench? Okay, with the what you can say with the rounder or compass box with the pencil, whatever it is, scribbling on the bench. Did they wear old dirty jeans? Oh, do they had old dirty jeans? Did they wear like that? Old dirty jeans like we children do? I will follow one back home today. So I am going to follow one of the teacher today. I will find out what they do and I am going to see that what they do in their home. Then I will put it in a poem. Then after I am going to write a poem on it. And that they can read to you and that the poem can be read to you in the class by the teachers or by me or by the student and how the teacher lives in her home, about her parents, about her pajamas, about her running nose, about her greenish or about her childhood mischievousness, okay, scribbling on the benches, taking punishment in the corners of the school. So all these they were doing. These are all the big questions in the minds of the child and what they do in the home. Are the people along with them? What they do and what they not do? Okay. Do they have father, mother? These all things. I am going to follow one of the teacher, find it out, and then I am going to hide and see, write a poem on that, and that will be read in the class, and everyone come to know about the teachers. Where do the teachers go? Where do the teachers go? By Peter Dixon. By Peter Dixon. Why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? Yes, this is the question in the mind of the child or in the poets. After 4 o'clock, everyone goes to their houses, maybe through tum-tum, maybe through school bus, or maybe through their personal vehicle, etc., or by walk also. Then what are the things normal people do that the poet talks about? So these are the many things which are normally done in the childhood and in the life that all the poet expects that whether the teacher also does the things. For him the teacher is something different from the human beings, being a child. What does he imagine about where teacher lives? In a house, home, where does she live? What they do at home? What she does at home? The teacher. The people with whom they live. Who are the people around them in the home? Their activities when they were children in school. What are the activities in the school when they were children? Do they used to like us? So maybe. So these are the questions coming in the mind of the poet. Why does the poet wonder if teachers also do things that other people do? Why is the poet wondering? ಏಕೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬಾಲಪನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಬಾಲಪನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಚ್ಪನ್ ಹೌದು and even their homes, their families, their people, all. And how does the poet plan to find out? Poet wants to follow one of the teacher and see what will he do once he will find out, and he's going to find out what the teacher does at home. What do you think these phrases from the poem mean? Punished in the corner. So getting punishment from the teacher when not completing homework or doing mischievous things in the class, not attentive in the class. So they will be given a punishment in the corners of the school. Leave their greens. Leave their greens means it tells about the greenery. That is about maybe the gardenings and all that comes under this. So do they had a habit of green gardening, plucking the things, flowers, okay, stems, etc. All those things will come in the childhood activities. That shows all about this. Leave the greens. Okay, this is all about Peter Dixon. Today you have learned about a new poem. Where do all the teachers go? This is for today. Read the poem, try to find out the phrases and make the sentences on their own, new vocabularies. Also try to find out the question answers and write the question answers on it. Where do teachers go? Okay. Till then, we'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.